Welcome, students! Today we are going to study imperatives. When you order a person to do something, we call it an imperative sentence. There are affirmative and negative imperatives. An affirmative imperative is used to give an order. It always begins with the base form of a verb. For example, wash your hands, study English, and close the door are examples of imperative sentences. A negative affirmative is used to tell a person what not to do. You put do not or don't before the base verb. Let's take a look at the examples. Don't sleep in class. Don't touch my computer. Since imperative sentences are always from you to the person you are talking to, we do not use the subject, you. Why don't we practice by putting school rules into imperative sentences? Let's review today's lesson.